All right, good morning, folks. It's Tuesday. Hope you got your seatbelts on. Looks like we're in for another wild ride. For those who did not participate in the markets yesterday, what a crazy day. Nearly an 1,100 point turnaround in the Dow. That's right. At one point in time yesterday, we were down about 800 plus in the Dow Jones. We actually finished the day higher, and a lot of that move came in the last 10 minutes of the day. The Nasdaq was down nearly 5% on the day, turned around, finished up about 90 points. That's close to 1% higher, which is the biggest turnaround for the Nasdaq since 2008. So just an absolutely wild day with some crazy price action and great opportunities to get in there and trade. And we certainly saw a lot of that on the Nadex exchange yesterday. Now this morning, we're starting the day off in the red. We're down about 1% across the board. Nasdaq, the outlier, down 2%. This morning. So we're seeing a lot of pressure on the screen, again, in a similar fashion to what we saw at the start of yesterday. So could be another wild ride today. Everybody buckle up. We've got more earnings. We've got Microsoft, which is the big one after the close. Today, oil right now up by about 50 cents, right around $84 a barrel. When you jump over into FX, let's take a real quick look. We're looking at more dollar strength again. Dollar stronger by about 0.5% against a number of currencies. So some dollar strength back in the market. We're kicking off a 2-day Fed meeting today. Policy announcement due out tomorrow. That's the biggie for the week. So let's get ready for that. All right, folks, going to be a wild day. Let's get back in there, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.